What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking an in-depth look at SVE's X281 upper grille as showing you the steps needed to install one into your 2010 to 2012 Mustang GT. Here in front of me is SVE's X281 grille designed for the 2010 to 2012 Mustang GTs. This grille is going to be for the S197 enthusiasts out there wanting to change up the look of their front end while adding a touch of styling. The X281 grille is molded from high quality ABS plastic that incorporates a factory-like texture and grain. The ABS plastic itself is very durable and in fact pliable, which is going to ensure a high-end look that is going to last for a very long time. This grille will delete the fog lights, but will allow more airflow into the condenser and the radiator. Taking a closer look at the grille, you'll see that it has 4 horizontal bars that run the entire length of the grille. Offset of the center will be 2 angled vertical bars that are slightly set back behind the horizontal bars, further adding to the killer aesthetics. At the top of the grille will be 4 accurately placed holes. That way you can properly retain this upper grille to your radiator cover. There really isn't much happening on the back of the grille other than you'll find the 8 tabs that pass through the bumper. As far as fitment is concerned with this grille, it is designed to work with 2010 to 2012 Mustang GTs. That means V6 and GT500 bumpers are a no-go. In the box will be 1 X281 grille and of course the 8 needed fasteners. Today we'll be installing this SVE X281 grille into our 2011 Mustang GT road race car. We will be removing the front bumper for this particular install. You don't have to remove the front bumper to get this grille installed. We're gonna go ahead and do it, that way we can clearly show you how a factory grille comes out and of course how you install your X281 grille. If you would like to see how the front bumper comes off of one of these cars, check out the link in the video description. With the front bumper removed from the car, locate the 10 tabs that pass through the bumper. Depress each tab with your thumb or a plastic pry tool while pulling out on the grille. Work your way around the back side of the bumper until all of the tabs are released. Now you can remove the factory grille from the car. Take this time to wipe down the area. Align the X281 grille and then slide it into place. Use the smaller retainers for the outside tabs. Position a retainer over the tab and then firmly press to fully seat it. Use the larger retainers for the 4 lower tabs. Of course, position one of those tabs and then firmly press to fully seat it. Before reinstalling the front bumper, ensure that the fog light connections are properly secured and tucked out of the way. Double check your clips and then reposition the front bumper back onto the car if you removed yours. Reconnect the side marker connections. Align all the screw holes and of course reinstall all of your screws. Reinstall the radiator cover and reinstall the push pins. Finally, tighten the 2 bumper to headlight retaining screws. Shut the hood and then you're all finished. Alright guys, a few things to take away after installing this SVE X281 grille. It looks totally badass installed into our 2011 GT. The other very small thing is the small gap between the bottom of the grille and the top of the bumper. It was designed this way to allow water to easily drain whenever it rains or when you wash your car. Other than that, I really like this SVE X281 grille and would highly recommend it to all 2010 to 2012 Mustang GT owners. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT life.